Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how to connect BW4 on your newly installed business object analysis for Excel. Uh, okay, so first of all, before we connect it to BW4, I'd like to creating BW4 server connection first. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to open SAP GUI, log on. So open this. Okay, I don't know why it takes. Okay, it's loading. This takes time. Okay. See, this connection already have it, but your case you don't have it. So in order to open this, create this, you have to using this new item. Okay, so connection. So the connection, then here go to next. So I'm following this, the guideline. Okay, the instruction guideline. Okay, let me show you this. So this is installation. This is guideline that I have. So I think first video I showed this one too, but here. So you have a GUI has two theme setting. So I base on that you have this balance sim setting. So I just do this. Okay, so you click this one, gonna have this next screen, then click next, then you're supposed to have something like this. Okay, VW4 is 00 VW4. Okay, then click next button, and then next and finish. Okay, so nothing special here, then finish. So you finish this one, you'll have this. So I'm going to cancel because already created, so you have to follow. So you're gonna have this. So I wish that you have BW4 UCC UWM EDU. So this one you're supposed to have it. So once you have this connection server here, you don't have to log on. Okay, so you just do it in business object analysis for Excel. Okay, so you don't need this. So just complete. Make sure that you have a connection server here. Okay, so just this one minimize. The next one is assuming that you have a business object analysis for Excel. Okay, I'll show you this. Some one students asking about there are too many downloading files. Then which one is your file? Okay, so let me show you this. Which one is okay for your SAP GUI, and you have this SAP GUI exe file, which is their GUI file, so that you can have that icon on your desktop. But the other one is installation guide, option, and troubleshooting, and so you just download this one, take a look at if necessary. Okay, so this one is helpful to understand or some problem that you're gonna go with this, take a look at. So but the actual file is this. Okay, SAP GUI 760 exe file. Okay, and even analytics application software. Okay, let me show you the list of application. Here I have this. So we have here mostly we're using this for analytics. But Rumira just hold on this one, okay? But I believe this crystal report we're gonna use this. So this SAP login installation instruction. this tool is necessary, so you need to download it when you just install the the application software, analytics application software. Okay, so just make sure that you download this Office 32-bit or 64-bit, either one of this, depending on you what your version of Office. Okay, so 32-bit or 64-bit. The other one, Lumira. Okay, so some Lumira function is embedded in predictive analytics. So they have a new version. Okay. Okay. This one I got a passcode is key code is yesterday. Okay, so I removed this old one and then tried to install this. So haven't done it. So I just received yesterday. So that's why I posted it yesterday. So you can have a new key code update here. So here, this is key code update. You see the most widely using. So this one I highlighted. So, but I haven't tested yet. So uh, just this key code is necessary when you install this. Then, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. So if it doesn't work, then I have to contact UCC persons to just this key code. Okay. Otherwise, you install this, you can use for 30 days. Okay. This one is gonna just for 1 year. Okay, 1 year. So this is expiration day, or this is how long you can use it. 365 days. So 1 year. So make sure that this 3 file and including this business object analysis for extra office. Okay, this either one of this. So you have to download it first. Okay. For your assignment, I believe you Eclipse is not here. Eclipse is there are a link to download it. So that's your software that you're using for next week assignment. So you go here. Uh, okay, okay, here. So you have to just connect this, and then you go predictive analytics. I'm just haven't tested yet. Okay, haven't installed yet. So maybe today or tomorrow. Okay, this one. Even I think Teradata. Okay, maybe needed. Okay, so this Romira designer, please hold this one. So it's just you just install this later. Okay, so not this time. Crystal report maybe later too. So number 5, Eclipse. Okay, so this instruction how to do it. Okay, so depending on 32 or 6, so gonna follow this instruction. I even have the screenshot for this connecting this in Eclipse. So you're okay here. So I have this to get this is screenshot for the connection in Eclipse. Okay, so I have a separate the document, screenshot document. Okay. Okay, let's go to connecting BW4 in business object analysis for Excel. Okay. Okay, so I like to show you this here. Okay, so you have to install first. Okay, so make sure that you install correctly on your computer. Okay, so you're gonna make sure this, then testing. Okay, So this really connecting to yours. Okay, so let me go to, once you install, you go to start button, go to SAP Business Intelligence, click this, then under that you have analysis for analysis. This is business object analysis for Microsoft Excel, so click this. Okay, okay, first A1 cell is selected. Okay, so you select this one first, but it's automatically selected when you open. Okay, so make sure that this analysis tab, just menu here. If you don't have this one, that means you didn't install that software correctly. Okay, so click this, then you see the insert data source, the top left corner here, right here. Okay, then you can have a download or the expanded this. So already I have done so test this, so many just so many files that I just tested here. So you don't have this one. So how did you connect this? So data, select data source. Okay, select data source. Click this. Then you have a pop-up window like this. Then skip. Okay. Okay, now click the connection here. Then you're supposed to connect this, I believe it's local. And then click your sub connection BW4. So this is once you did, so should be here. Okay, so click this, click next, then ask you to your username and password. Okay, so you have a new one, password. Okay, so this is your first time to access this, connect to this, so you have to use your user ID and initial password. Okay, so I'm gonna test the account 20. Okay, so 020, and your initial password is already given, 7827 capital letter Hannah. Okay, so check your user ID. Okay, where that you can see the initial password. Okay, then click OK. Okay, something like this screen come pop up. So continue. Okay, now you ask you to on your own. Okay, so make it sure that your password is to you. Okay, so make sure that this is yours. Okay, make a simple, easy one. So use a lowercase, not capital letter, so that it's confusing. So once you just have created your password, please just take a note of this. Okay, then okay. Okay, now I'm gonna connect it. Okay, so this select data, you click the area. Then we have several connection here, but last one is gonna use here. Okay, so depending on your exercise, which file you have to load it. So, but you can test it here. Okay, so mostly using this master copy. Click this master copy. I think that one is already explained here. So here it's even here. Okay, so here master copy, and then click AL1. So this is only the testing. Okay, so under that we have a global by query for analysis master. So that, technical name is MUCP1MQ1. Okay, so this is why that's starting point. Oh, so this is, example. You may have access different one. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now we're gonna retrieve this query in your, analysis sub windows here. So so this is the initial point that you're gonna work on for query. Okay, so this is only example. So that's I show you here, right here. Okay, here this. Okay, so that's connecting this. Okay, so after you have this, then you just close this. You can close it, okay, or save this file. I think you can save this one, then it goes to, save into your local computer, okay. Otherwise, that's this, you open this one, it's gonna be remain in your server, okay. So let me close this, okay. Close this. So I don't want to save this because don't save. So okay, now closing and then back to original screen. One thing you have to remember this analysis, okay? So this here, click this. You may see this, okay? I'll just connect this and open this to query file, okay? So this, so you easily open this. So let me open this. Then what happened this? So when you just work on this different save as file, you just work on this, and then gonna be the outlook is different from this, so that you can save with a different name. Then you can later come back and then rework on that saved file, and easily work on new one. Okay, so that's what you can do. So this is briefly showing you what to do with this connection. So a reminder, once just this one is not using at I think next week. So I think third week or fourth week you're gonna use this. So but until then you have to use the install this analysis for no business object analysis for Excel and Eclipse. Okay, so that's necessary one that you have to install first. Okay, then predictive analytics. So I'm gonna test and gonna let you know this. So please hold, okay, until everything is sure. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.